have been thinking of starting a home-based food business in 2025, then this video might just be for you. So in this video, we are looking at 10 innovative food niches. We shall look at how to stand out, how to scale up, and also how to sell your delicious creations online. If you are ready to turn your love for food into income, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. For me personally, I would consider a food business because of its low startup costs. There's no need for a storefront or expensive equipment. You would agree with me that running a home-based food business would give you some sort of flexibility. Food business is profitable. Food is something that never goes out of style. Food is something that would be in demand constantly. The first one we want to consider is healthy meal prep service. To stand out, focus on a niche like keto, vegan, or even diabetic friendly. You can even offer weekly subscriptions and collaborate with local gyms. This business model will work because busy lifestyles drive the demand for healthy, ready-made meals. Let's move on to the second home-based business idea. Artisan bread or sourdough. Everyone loves quality homemade bread with unique ingredients. So, offer unique flavors like turmeric, olive infused, or even gluten-free. To scale up, you can create bread making workshop online. You can teach people how to make bread online. So you can do this on your YouTube channel or even on your Facebook Live. Gourmet boxes. You can offer holiday specials or corporate gifts. There is always a need for gifting and there will always be events. So this creates a demand for visually appealing gifts. You can partner with event planners or even companies for bulk orders. Now, let us quickly consider homemade spices and sauces. Unique flavors and preservative-free options are trending. Share the story behind your spices. For instance, African blends or family spices. To scale up, sell in farmers markets or even on online platforms. Let's consider plant-based desserts and why this business model works. There is a growing vegan and health-conscious audience. So, you can create visually stunning desserts and sugar or gluten-free options. To scale up, you can sell e-recipe books or even offer dessert kits. Let's quickly consider ethnic comfort food boxes. This business model would work because people love tasting global food flavors from home. To stand out, you want to highlight authentic cultural recipes and you also want to employ the storytelling method of marketing. To scale up, offer unique meal kits with pre-measured ingredients. Let's consider specialty coffee blends. Create signature blends and pair them with educational content. This business model would work because coffee culture is now expanding beyond coffee cafes. So, if you are considering this, you can offer monthly coffee subscriptions to scale up your business. Moving on to the next business idea on our list. Have you considered home-baked baking, either themed cakes or cupcakes? Events and weddings will always need unique desserts. To stand out, you want to create hyper niche designs. For examples, cartoon cupcakes. Now, you don't want your designs to be mediocre. If you're going into this kind of business, your designs need to be unforgettable or one of a kind, and before you know it, your business would grow bigger through word of mouth. To scale up or to make extra money, you can start an online cake class. let us look at fermented foods. For instance, kombucha, kimchi, and pickles. Fermented foods are trending for health benefits. So, share health benefits and unique flavors. To scale up, sell DIY fermentation kits. And finally, something for the pets. Let's quickly look at gourmet pet treats. Pet owners like me and some other people would love healthy homemade pet treats. So why not consider using organic ingredients and cute packaging? Sell personalized pet treats with pet names on it. Market on your Facebook or market on your Instagram. Before we leave, let's quickly look at a checklist on how to start a food business. Let's look at some legal requirements. The first thing you want to do is to choose your niche. The second thing you want to do, you want to check your local licensing requirements for food business in your area. So conduct a simple Google search and type register food business near me. Now you want to test and perfect your recipes, so create little samples and consume with family and friends and make adjustments as you go. You want to create a business plan. You can use a simple business model canvas. At this point, you want to define pricing, who are your suppliers, your daily operations, your cash flow, and your profit margin. It's time to start. It is advisable to start small, then expand. So you can start with delivery in your locality, and then you can proceed to start shipping outside your locality. For those of us that want to sell food online, the first step would be to create an online presence. What I mean by this is open a simple social media page, either on Facebook or on Instagram for your small business. Start by posting at least one video every day. You can start by posting your behind the scene videos, the about our company videos, and about our product videos. Keep posting every day and keep interacting with similar creators in your niche, and try to engage in community building, such as responding to comments on your wall and also placing or making comments on the walls of other creators in your food business niche. Once you have created your social media online presence, you want to build a website. So build a website on platforms like Wix or even Shopify. If available in your locality, you can also sell on platforms like Deliveroo, Etsy, or even Uber Eats. You want to intensify your efforts on marketing on your social media channels. So on your TikTok, on your Facebook, on your Instagram, even on your Pinterest, you want to create mouth-watering pictures and videos of your final product and paint the social media red. Also, you want to use hashtags to optimize your post. For instance, hashtag homemade food or hashtag your location, so that you can be discoverable on internet search. You also want to leverage on testimonials. Encourage your family and friends to give you testimonials, which you can place on your social media channels or even on your website. Offer limited time promotion like bulk orders or even subscription based. You can also offer points or discounts for customers who leave you reviews or testimonials. This way you can build your testimonials fast. Finally, let us consider some quick tips for standing out and scaling up. Storytelling. Share the story behind your food business. Secondly, consistently, you want to post as often as you can on your social media platform to continue building trust and loyalty amongst your audience. Customer engagement. You want to always run polls and even give away. This drives customer engagement to a large percentage. Now, which of these food business ideas excites you the most? Please leave me a comment below. And on this note, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and let us win together. And please don't forget to share this video with as many as you think. Thank you, and see you in the next one.